rest of the posts in here. Get some more stubs and small stuff cut out of there. It's starting to rain, so I guess I'll shut her down. Tomorrow, hopefully I can get back out here. I have till, say, July to try and bring this fence online. So, just get her thinned, fenced in, get some feed growing out here. So, anyway. Oh man, I need my head red. So I threw a fertilizing video in right at the start of this too. That's just wanted to empty the spreader out, put that in the garden plot, and hopefully, maybe with some luck, this will be the last year of garden out there. This is not my land, so I'm limited to what I can do. And I didn't get the spot cleared out back here for next year. So anyway, basically I've got till November to do that. Then I'll be lobster fishing. So anyway, I'm heading in. I'm sick and it's raining.